சித்திரை செவ்வானம் தன் மகளுக்காக நீதி தேடும் ஒரு அப்பாவின் கதை. சமுத்திரக்கனி பூஜா கண்ணன் நடிப்பில் ZEE5 ஆப்ல பாருங்க. லிங்க் இன் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்.
Hey. Have you lost it or what?
Sit down, please. Sit down. Come. Sit down. Come. Did something bother you?
You are the one who's throwing stones at me. Why don't you mind your business?
Oh, I was doing my own business also. But it is you who entered into it.
I hate that. People are not even letting me die peacefully.
Do you think death is a peaceful answer? The way you walked so hurriedly into the sea, I guessed you're going to end up your life. Come. I will show you something. Come with me. Come with me. Come. Look. Now imagine the sea is the world and the water is the people living in this world. Come. Hold some water in your hands. The irony is, you picked only few people. Surprisingly, while picking up, you dropped some of them into the water. That means you cannot meet everybody in this world. These are the people in your hand who speak to you, who make you smile, who make you sad, who make you cry. But these are the same people who put you in trouble. Don't you think so? As you grow, many of them will go away. Look at your hands. Some of them already left you. Don't you think so? They come and go. They don't stick to you. But you have to accept the truth. As you see, you shed a tear for these people left in your hands. These are very few people. You can count them on your fingers. They stay until your last breath. They treat highly like you treat them. They may be your parents, spouse, children, or friends.
Why don't you pick few more?
I expected this, to pick up some more people. You have to drop the people already in your hands. It means that you will end your present life and you will be born again to do this exercise. Life gives only one chance. You have to make it worthwhile. Whatever may be the reason that you wanted to commit suicide is not the real problem. The real problem is you thought of destroying yourself. See, that's your problem. I wanted to know how focused you are, how determined you are, whether the small pebble thrown at you is going to bother you. Fortunately or unfortunately, it was you who shifted your focus on this small pebble thrown at you. You should have continued with your goal of self-destruction. You must accomplish whatever you wanted for. You must have had lot of ambitions, but it seems to me that you have shifted your life to a meaningless suicide. It's like small pebble thrown at you. Now you decide whether to end your life by walking into sea or get life by walking back home. What do you think?
May I know who are you, sir?
I am somebody whom you picked up from this world. Tell me one thing. What did you think of me in the beginning?
Beggar?
I know. People like you think of me as a beggar. For some people, I am a stranger. For some people who have seen my film, I am an actor. For those people who read my books, I am an author. Sometimes I play different roles at different times. Now tell me, what do you think of me?
You are my savior.
Thanks.
சித்திரை செவ்வானம் தன் மகளுக்காக நீதி தேடும் ஒரு அப்பாவின் கதை. சமுத்திரக்கனி பூஜா கண்ணன் நடிப்பில் ZEE5 ஆப்ல பாருங்க. லிங்க் இன் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்.